Good morning, students. So welcome back to digital electronic class. In today's class we are going to discuss the code conversions. So in that, first thing we are going to discuss is code conversion. So basically, what is the meaning of the code conversions? So code conversion is nothing but we do have a different system code, like we are considering BCD codes. We try to convert into different formats. Like we do have 7 segment display code, or we do have BCD code to access 3. So what actually we are doing in this, we just want to convert our digital numbers. What are the digital number systems? Zeros and ones. It can have binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal. So these are things we already know it, and we know how do we convert that one particular form into another one. Clear? So now in this code conversions, we just want to consider, as per your syllabus you had BCD codes to 7 segment and BCD code to access 3. So basically, what is BCD code to access 3 and BCD codes to 7 segment, that you need to see. So first of all, what is the meaning of this BCD code? So BCD code means what, and how the BCD code is going to convert into 7 segments into access 3. So basically 7 segment means, as you know, that whatever the digits we are considering in complete our digital electronics or any digital gadgets or any digital appliances, you may observe that in that we are going to see the digits are in this particular format, right? This can be a 8, like that I can go with 9. I do get 9 like this, right? I can get 8, 9, then I can get with 7 like this, right? I get 7. Likewise, I do have different numbers starting from 0 to till maximum reaching till 9, right? So these are nothing but digits of each particular format that we are saying with the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So in that, each particular segment we are considering with a specific values. So these are called as, how many segments we do have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total how many segments? There are 7 segments. So we just want to consider that particular 7 segment, and how do we convert that particular 7 segment into BCD code. That particular part we are going to consider in today's class. So in today's class we are going to find out the conversion between one particular format of the code into another particular format by looking into these particular code. And the most important point in this is we are going to take the codes of your number system, and that number systems we are going to find out by taking the truth table, then by taking the K-map, then by taking the designing part. We are going to take all those values and we just want to write down that particular value. So these things we are going to do in today's class. So thing is, first we will proceed with BCD to access 3. So basically BCD codes are actually what? The BCD codes are the digits which start from 0 to, it will reach maximum till 9, right? 0 to 9, that is nothing but it's a 10. As 10 base 10, you can say this is like a decimal. So a decimal, one more name that we can say it is as BCD code. So this BCD codes, how do we convert into access 3, and this BCD codes, how it is going to be converted into 7 segment, that we are going to see now. So basically, what is that BCD codes? First thing, we'll take that BCD codes and we'll try to write down that output value for that given conditions, and we just want to write down that value as per this given conditions. So what are the conditions actually, that we will see now. We will take that BCD code. So we are taking now BCD code to access 3. Okay, so this is our question. BCD code we are converting into access 3. So this code conversion, how do we take? We'll take A, B, C, D. These are our BCD codes, right? That value we just want to write output of it. Output of access 3, we are saying that X, Y, W. Will start from W, X, Y and Z. So these are the values we will take, and we'll try to write down the values for it. So in order to do that, what is the first thing we should know? That BCD contain how many numbers? 0 to 9. So we'll write that particular combinations starting from all zeros. 0 0 0 1, then 0 0 1 0, 0 0 1 1. Likewise 0 1 0 0, 0 1 0 1, 0 1 1 0, 0 1 1 and 1. This is 7, then 8, then 9. Right? So this is our BCD codes. In which conversion we are writing? What is the output here? Output is in access 3 format. So access 3 means whatever digit is there, we need to add plus 3. So likewise, this is which digit? 0. 0 plus 3 is 3 only. So I can write 0 0 1 1. Next, this is what? 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. So how do we write 4? 0 1 0 0. This is 4. Next, this is 2. 2 plus 3, make it as 5. So I can write 5 as 0 1 0 1. Right? Now I want to write this 3. 3 plus 3 how much? I can write that 6. So I can write 0 1 1 0. Likewise I do have next thing 4. So 4 plus 3 how much? 7. So how do we write 7? 0 1 1 and 1. Next we do have 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8 is 1 0 0 0. Next would be how much? 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 1 0 0 1 9. Likewise we do have next, this is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So 1 8 plus 2 is 10. Next we do have 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So 1 0 1 1. Next we do have how much? 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So 1 1 0 0. So this is the code conversion of your BCD codes into access 3. So we got this thing. Next thing is that what we need to do? We got the truth table. Next criteria is to write down by taking W, X, Y, Z each digit. We need to write the respective output value for it. So for that what we'll do it? We will write down that K maps. So we'll first make that W separately, X, Y, Z output separately, and we will try to write down the output value for that particular sequence. So we do have these things. Next thing is that we just want to write down the value of the output. So for that what we will write? We'll try to draw the K map. So how many K map we have to draw? 1 for W, for X, for Y and for Z. Total 4. 4 variable K map I need to design. So 1 2 3. This way 1 2 3. This is one K map. Next way I'll draw here. So another K map I can draw it. So 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Likewise this I can take. Next I do have one more. So 1 2 3. So 1 2 3. One more I can take here. So 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so these are K. First, for first value W, next value X, next value Y, next value Z. Okay, for this we need to write down what is the inputs value. We do have A B C D, A B C D. So A B C D here, again A B and C D. Clear? For this what is the combination of first number? I can write the combination as, I can start from 0 0. Okay, first I do have 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. So this end also I can go with the same sequence 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. So this also 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. For both the end 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. For this end also we will mention in the same way. But as you can see in the truth table we do have maximum till 9 only, right? What about this is 4 variables, total 16s are there, 0 to 15. So for what about 10? All 10 are don't care. 11 are 12, 13, 14, 15. All these numbers are don't care. For that what I'll do it? So first meantime M0, M1, M2, M3. Next M4, M5, M6, M7. Like, then after that where we'll go? M8, M9. Till M9 only we do have in our truth table. As you can see, values are from this much only. We don't have further. For that remaining value we'll put the cross mark, don't care. In all the same thing, we will mention cross mark because these values we are not taking. So these are called don't care. So these all are don't care. Clear? So this where it is here. So these all values are don't care. Clear? So what is the value here? It's mean term M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7, M8, M9. Clear? So when the W is high, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 1. W is done. Next, we do have for X. When X is high, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 9. So 1, 2, 3, here 4 is there, 4 and 9. Right? So this we wrote it. So this mean terms, respective values we wrote it. Next for this one, X, Y is 1, for mean term M0, mean term M3, M4. M0, M3, this is M3 and M4. So M0, M3, M4. Next is M7, M8. So M7 we do have, where is M7? Here is M7. M7 and M8. Clear? We wrote the next also. What about the last Z? When Z is high, M0, M2, M4, M6, M8. It's like even numbers. M0. First is M0, then M2, M4, M6, M8. Clear? So we got these number of ones. So what is the thing we did, students? So first thing we wrote the truth table. So access 3 means for every bit you need to add plus 3. That is called access 3 output. Clear? So this thing we do it, we add 0 plus 3 is 3, like that we found till 9, because BCD codes are there for 0 to 9 only. Remaining we will not write. Next we had in KMAP, the value should be from 0 to 15, but as per this thing we do have till 9 only. What about the rest of the elements, rest of the mean terms? Those are considered to be the don't care. In all these things you first fill that one. After filling this thing, what is the next criteria? We need to combine the values. So how do we combine that value? I can combine in this way. I can combine this 1, 1, 1. 3 I cannot combine. I can combine either 4 or 8 or 2. So I can combine this 4. Like this I can combine. Right? This is 4. Again I can combine this one. So I got 2 4 chord combination, and this straight I can combine, so that my ones all covered. Here don't care is left. Leave about don't care. We are not talking about don't care. We are only seeing ones. For combining ones we are considering don't care. So what is the value for this thing? It is nothing but A and B bar. So what is the first output? A, B bar. Plus second I can see this one. In this one row wise. Row wise is B is there. So B, and this one column wise. What is column wise? D. So BD. Plus next thing. What is the next thing? It's the same thing. Excuse me. Alhamdulillah. So now we do have B. This is B is there. Again we are writing B. For which one? For this particular thing. What about the column wise? I can write it as C. So we got W output as A, B complement plus BD plus BC. Next thing, in this what I can do it? Either I can combine this way. This I can combine this 4 and this 4 by folding. Right? I can do it. What about this one? I have to make a binary only. So this I got the binary. What about this 1 and 1? I can combine by using this 4. Here also I can combine by using that 4. So what I am doing, possibility of 4 is there. Next thing, I can combine with this, right? This with this thing. So carefully you have to do this thing, then only you will get the correct answer. So once again, see students what I did. I wanted this 2, ones is there. Here don't care is there. So this 2, 1 and 2 is don't care. I combine and make it as 4, because preference is given to first 8. That is octa. If it is not possible, quad. So here possibility of quad is there. So that's the reason I am making this 2 and this cross 1 combination. So what I will get for this one? You see this one column wise. Here 1A, here is 1. That means C. So I can write for that particular thing C. What about the next thing? Row wise. Here is the row, here is the row. So B is 0 here, B is 0 here. So I can write B bar C. for this combination I did. Now next, for this you see this one and this one I can make a combination, so I made that combination. So what I did, so no need of making this one. Do I need to make this one? No, already it is covering in both, right? So why should I make this one? So this should be not required. Why it's not required? Because this one is covering for that particular thing. So that's the reason I'm not looking into one more chord. So in that, this and this you should see again it is B bar. So plus B bar is there, and this one and this one, what is the column? D. So B bar D. Plus now this is binary. Binary means again B is 1, so it is B. And column is C bar and D bar. So we got this answer as this thing. So X is B bar C plus B bar D plus B C bar D bar. This output, this one output, and this one output. So we do have how many chords? There are 2 chords and single binary. Same way, can I make like this combination? Yes, I can make it. This 4 chord and this 4 chord. This don't care is left out, we'll not look into it. If it is helpful for our ones, then only we will consider. So what I can write for this? It's C bar D bar I can write, plus I can write for this CD. So this resembling which circuitry? C exclusive NOR with D. Right? We got Y. Now for Z what I can write? I can combine like this and this one. This is nothing but octa. So this we are getting octa combination. Because this corner folding and this corner folding. Only will get single binary. What is a single binary? D. So answer for that is D is 0, that is D bar. So we got this and we got Y. So we found all the values. Next thing, logic diagram. By using the logic gates, we have to implement this function. So this is the way we will convert the given code into a specific value. For W, what else? What is the thing we can do, students? So I just not done this way. So what I can do it? I can combine this 8 because I do have this 8, right? So what I'll do instead of this 4 combination, what I'm doing? I'm combining with 8. What is that 8? This way I can combine all these values and this thing. I can do it because all I don't care, no? So this M8, M9, 10, 11, all this make it as one octa. So in this only we got A. A is 1. Only this value is common for this octa. So the answer for that is A plus BD plus BC. So we got this answer. Next thing, we need to write that value. With respect to the value, we need to write the gate level designing for all these specific digits. For that digits, we are designing by using basic gates, or it's your choice. You can proceed with universal gates also. So both the thing you can do it in which format you are comfortable, that format you can proceed. So I'm just proceeding with BCD by using the basic gates because basic gates are quite simple and I can use all types of gates and or all those things. If I'll proceed with universal, all the equivalent functions I need to use, then only I can design it. For that what I'm doing, I'm taking the basic gates, I need to write the value for it. For that what I'm doing, I'm taking all the digits W, X, Y, Z separately, I need to write down the value for it. For that value, I'll write down in this way. So let us see that one. So what are these inputs value we do have? We have A, right? We have B, we have C, and we do have D, right? So if you want to take the complements, you can proceed with that. So I can take complement of A by using NOT gate. I got one NOT gate, I got A complement, I got one more NOT gate, I got B complement, C complement, and D complement. So I do have these all connections, right? So these all values I will take separately. This line should not be coincide, all should be separated. Next thing, for W we do have value A plus BD plus BC. that value we need to write. For that, what I am doing, I am writing that particular value for it. So we do have these thing A, B, C, D I took. I am going with vertical approach. So in that, what I am doing, first I do have A plus BD plus BC. So I want A first. So what I am doing, I am taking the connection from A. Then I want BD plus BC. So BD, one AND gate is required. BD, one more AND gate is required. So these all needs to be connected to one OR gate, right? So this is the output of what? W. So W is the first output. So in that, first is BD, then BC. So B, D, then again B and C. So I got the first output for W. First, similarly for X, what I can write, B bar C, I required how many AND gates? I required 3 AND gates. I'll connect with 3 AND gates, 1, 2 and 3. So these all needs to pass to one OR gate, right? So that I can get the next one, X. This is your X output. So what is that connection? B bar C, B bar D. So B bar. So here we do have B bar C. Then B bar D. So next B, C bar, D bar. So again take B, I took, then C bar. This is your C bar and D bar. So this B bar and D bar. Okay, so this is B, C bar, D bar, this is B bar D, this is B bar C. Now what this one, BD and BC, this is your A. So we wrote 2 values. Next thing, what is there? We need to write the remaining also. So for that, what I am doing, I am just extending these lines because the space is not sufficient to draw that one. So I'll take that values and lines into downside. Okay, so next thing, I need to write that one. What is that? C exclusive OR with D. So exclusive NOR is what? This is your exclusive NOR. With bubble we put it. This is your WXY. C, this is your C connection. This is your D connection. So C exclusive NOR with D is the first. We got Y. Now for Z, only D bar. For Z, we'll take one line directly. It's D bar. That is nothing but Z. So Z also we had Y also, we had X, we had W. So this diagram shows that BCD to access 3 code conversion. Okay. So what is the summary of this whole topic is that code conversions of BCD is that BCD contain 0 to 9, 10 bits, 10 mean terms. That access 3, if you want to convert, every bit you need to add plus 3. After adding the plus 3, we had the value from 0 to 9 in that 10 to 15, all are don't care. That way we took all for don't care. Then we'll take that value as per the logic diagram and we will find out. So this is the way we can use and we can convert the given code into respective value. That's it for today's class. In the next class, we are going to proceed with BCD to 7 segment. Thank you. Have a good day.